Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage software projects with Basecamp. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, create a Basecamp account if you haven't done so already. Next, log in to your Basecamp dashboard. Once logged in, click on the New Project button to start a new software project. Enter a name for your project that clearly reflects its purpose. You can also add a description to provide more context for your team. After naming your project, click on Create Project. Now, you will see your project dashboard. To keep your project organized, use the To-Do feature. Click on the To-Do section to create a list of tasks. Add tasks by clicking on the Add a To-Do button. Assign tasks to team members by selecting their names from the drop-down menu. Set due dates to help ensure timely completion of tasks. Next, utilize the Messages section to facilitate communication. Post updates or share information relevant to the project in this area. Encourage team members to ask questions and provide feedback. To manage files, navigate to the Docs and Files section. Upload important documents, specifications, and resources your team may need. Make sure to categorize your files for easy access. For time management, explore the Schedule feature. Use this to outline key milestones or deadlines for your project. Collaborate effectively by using the Automatic Check-ins feature. Set up regular check-ins to keep everyone aligned on progress. Encourage team members to share their updates during these check-ins. Finally, regularly review your project progress. Use the Progress feature to evaluate task completion and team contributions. By following these steps, you will efficiently manage software projects using Basecamp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.